Okay, now let's go on to volume of a triangular prism. Once again, this is going to be the hardest one for students to do, or at least it has been. And that's because you're dealing with two separate heights. First thing we have to remember is that volume of the prism, or volume in general, is dealing with the inside, not the outside. One thing I want to introduce to you is this formula, B times H. Notice that both are capital. Capital B stands for area of the base, and capital H indicates height of the figure. So if we were to do area of the base times the height of the figure, for a triangular prism, the area of a base, the base is a triangle, and we know that area of a triangle is base of the triangle times height of the triangle divided by 2. That leads us into, this is height of the prism, meaning it's the side not on the triangle. So the technical formula for volume of a triangular prism is base times height divided by 2 times height. So it's like little base times little height divided by 2 times big height. Now, let's go through this, and I'm going to hope that I can make this somewhat clear. Just as anything else with a formula, you are asked to write the formula first. On these, I am going to request that you write the formula first, but you can't abbreviate. So the formula is little base times little height divided by 2 times big height. Let's plug it in. For base and height of the triangular prism, we can locate this by finding our triangle and seeing what is the base and height of that triangle. We know it will be the sides that are formed at the right angle. So the base and height are 6 and 8. And we divide by 2 times big height is going to be the side that connects the two triangles. So we look and see what side connects the two triangles. That's right, it's going to be 15. Now we can go ahead, type this all into our calculator, and we get 360 centimeters cubed. You can see how easy this would be to mess up given that you have two heights. So once again, write the formula out. Please write the formula out. It's going to help you remember it, and it's going to help keep it straight, and if you make a mistake, we can easily figure it out. And then please fill in the numbers. Don't just type things into your calculator. If you type things into your calculator and you say, I got this wrong, we're not going to be able to figure out why. You have got to fill in, write the formula, fill in your numbers. Please, please, please follow these directions. Now let's try the second one. We know that we're dealing with volume of a triangular prism, and the formula is base times height divided by 2 times big height. So we plug in our numbers. Well, if we take a look at our triangle, the base and height of that triangle are formed at the right angle. Therefore, our base and height are 7 and 2.8. We have to divide by 2, and the big height is going to be the side that connects the two triangles. In this case, the side that connects the two triangles is 6. So we have 7 times 2.8 divided by 2 times 6, and we end up with 58.8 meters cubed.